2018 Dodge Charger. Remove the sweeps, very easy. Just get one of these things and kind of like push back, and you're gonna find well, they're over here, these clips right here. They're gonna be embedded into the plastic. Push them out, they're out, all good. Okay, this thing, I removed the slipper that it was attached to and I threw it away. I got rid of that 3M piece of shit sponge, the blue one that was leaving contaminants. I'm gonna try this one out, but of course only a piece of it, so this one I'll put away there. And let's get started. Put this in here for right now. Laminated glass, be careful not to push too much on it or heat excessive. This is alcohol and Dawn or Palmolive or something, dishwashing soap, so you can get all this, a lot of hydrophobic thing going on. See how it manages after you clean it. This might be a rental car, but shit, I'm still gonna remove it. Oh man, if it's a rental car, the guy didn't tell me he's going to do this. Gonna have to reinstall it later, I guess. Put it there for right now. We're gonna lose it. Okay, so get our guy here. See that hydrophobic coating goes away or it hinders me or something. Okay. PO board, pre-cut patterns, front, back door, back vent. Computer cut patterns, man, have really made it easy for us. These kind of cars are a little bit of a pain in the ass, especially right here in the vent. I remember in the old days we used to cut inside or outside, trimming this or trimming that, and that's just horrible. So computer cut patterns have really been the savior of those problems of before. There it is. Okay. All right. Put it right here. Okay. 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 Put this guy out of the way. Already used it, so this stuff that's down here and below that, it has some shit down there obviously, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. The bottom portion where you can't reach, there you go. Instead of flushing too much water, because I don't know, there's electronics or stuff, or I don't want to mess it up, so okay, gonna drop everything down there. People that have a question about hydrophobic coatings, I'm not sure if this one had or not. You just saw the way it beat it up and all that. This is Tint Slime Ultra. I'm still messing with it. Like I said, my experimentations go on forever till I prove something is good or bad, or you know, just part of collecting information. All right. It's set. It ain't moving. At least the slip solution allowed me to maneuver my film around and set it where I need it, and now it's set. It won't move. Okay. All right. I separate my stuff. This green one is the tint slime, and other ones are other things that I dabble with. Okay. See, this is very nimble because it's a very hard presser, and it gets down to where perhaps my other one might not get down there. It might get stuck or something. So different tools for different reasons. I wish I had one that would do it all, but they don't. Came out super clean due to the fact that this is controlled. The lay is very controlled, so it's looking really good. There, good. Go ahead and do the back thing. Okay. Well, same scenario here. Had one of these stickers. I guess it might be one of those rental thing. Okay, put this guy right there. Let's go ahead and clean this. Now on Dodge Chargers, as you know, it's got this thing. It's got about ½ inch of film in there. There's not a whole lot we're gonna do when we drop it. That is like, if you bunch it up so it won't touch the side, you're gonna crease the center. So we're gonna use water to clean this up real good on the way to dropping it. That'll be, to me, has served as the best scenario for keeping all the most dirt out. Okay. The people that say that computer patterns don't fit well, or hand cut is better and stuff like that, I've been very surprised with these patterns. That's why I keep using them. Keep in mind there's ½ inch glass that way, so I still need to clean it. We still need to clean it over there. There it is. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Clean there, there, there. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use this bad boy here for the vent.